edition of the World Cup. You know that Ghana has qualified for the World Cup, and come next year, we are going to see the team right here in the United States. And as part of the special event towards our special coverage of this World Cup next year, we have decided to come to the New Jersey at MetLife Stadium, where the finals of the World Cup will be played. You know that United States and Canada and also Mexico, the three countries are going to host next year's World Cup. Coastaltv will definitely give you a live coverage from here. Keep watching Coastaltv. Don't touch the style.
Within the King Kofi no need na nipa nyina imi na oba himalwa dincha ha. In fact, Bobo aya eye ajiensa na jesi empinifo bebre na eni ho nti ye na yaka ye ho abom nti wo hwe tournament ya abo ya ye yin fofora ebi esi akonya so the 16th of the country odefo bo am the fourth na ye bo e dia mana kwaba nti wo hwe team so mo bo no well organized teams a obo wo himalwa dincha Nititru lower denture ha nzie wo frame Olympiacos yo Jankabo Stand Fast ni wo Wasi FC na Jokwa Youth Football Club first game no so na no Jokwa Youth Football Club any frame Olympiacos frame qualify for final ni ya odefo Akaba Cup na problem say wo ha ni say ye need division team with the whole district and it's a problem for the district na ye di kan ni ameto to asre aban ni say aban nya na dwen say ball no aban na nkase be som na enkoya nkra because I will share baby say upper danger lower danger Tufuati mofa Imaluwa danger ye constants and as a district but this 4 districts there is no single club or representative here in Ghana Football Association, whether it's being 3rd division, 2nd division or 3rd division. And then how high the man or mine. This and say you are great office agree for the show. Your market I would do in the show. Your avenue the bra almost fata the show. Nanso a banner sport football the ambitious is you knew be all share so na my father me want to say nkwala ne mo from mo you show we are an invitational tournament for therefore Akaba Cup na teams are omo organize na invite your my name kunku a team ewo nti we mu Jankobo Stand Fast any frame sorry what was it FC in ewo na ye boot time na next season ye best start yankasa ye division 3 ewo ye constituency wana se district mu na ye papa anase na na dinja hini aya chi ni nso be support ye nti ye bo we dia mana kwaba nti za obi samia media media de boa Imaluwa dinja na se luwa dinja ni se Nidi football anymore, me boase meeting and the form into my family. In fact, it is one of the major issues of Ghana as a tackle. We are doing say we worth 40 billion. Na bisa on say why na ne papa na ne mama edifika 40 billion. Ebe she edumi ma osini bi obenya 5,000 onye. Meaning omo yes e mfen develop sports. But ya koya me say yes sports no eni akwanya ewo stadium no so esan simply for game say ni obi bebo obetie scan na hu hinya pa nanso we omo ye say ye district ye fam picture yes sport the best champion for ye mapa benchira hene odefo bo ampensim a otoso 9 a waba the best ye honorable MP Ajinsim the best ye honorable ye GC you know so na be come to abum na dencha asori wo bobom it has a dencha wo professors dencha wo doctors dencha wo educationalists nanso e ba no football you need to be na say okandiphobia na the professional player e na ye youth ni asori say ye ku na editia na ya peje obi a obedi denchi wo bobom nti ntokwa ye ku nyina no eno na ama ye boto na metinyanti e be sere say Coastaltv send ya mudu eche no muni penifo be din komo no mo so achiro mo ade eche bia ye ni omo so eche bia ni mo adwen omo ma ye na se de ye ne di mu no mo din komo a na mo so ma ye hu omo adwen ne ye so yafa eno so e de siesie ho isa se denchira imaluwa dencha ni luwa dencha ye crowd say bobo omo so e be investment in Asani America. Me and I'm meeting with Mr. Duncan, regional FA chairman. Any meetings about some do me Peter football. It's a brewa hapa. Especially, I am the CEO for Jokwa Youth Football Club. It's a boy the training and in normal be a bread. It's the best round crown. Getting 4 after that. The best round would say. So I'm going to do a 4 year. So I'm going to do a ton. So I'm going to do a I'm going to do a ball. And I say, I'm going to be a ball. Osha boy, I'm going to do a piano. And so you need to be what television, this television at the first division. The how Edema you know. Now, first, I see you Edema in penny 40. Yentumi enkasa ho bebre esanse yenim sempinimfo ewo adwen hyehyɛ ede ma yɛ daachi nti wada homa esanse mo fide du akire no muni penimfo nkasa sɛ yɛ krado ewo buo mu ewo ahofa mu ewo bibie mu sɛ yɛbɛ hyɛ sɛ mo nso ɛbɛboa yɛ nti sa ubisa me about ɛyɛ football a yɛ youth na yɛ krado yɛ twen sempinimfo nso de so yɛ ase I think the Ghana national team, the Black Stars, depends on about professional football. Now, the chance pay a chef with the national team, whether it's been under 17, under 20, under 23, or Black Stars. Now, the chance say, under 17, now Queen, is say, me no say me a professional scout at the man, Dr. Prosperity Ogun. Former coach, also the current and say Dinchra, young for a player. No channel. Now, so as I see, I am registered in tea. Yet, you for beyond Western say, South as all journey a great business. This is what journey a year Association Ghana Entrepreneurship Association. Business be a person be also registered. But Dinchra, you need registered team. Jeffina Yamiadum to Youth Football Club. Enya omo company name. Enya omo company registration idea omo be participating fully our Ghana Football Association next season into toya year to asre any say on mine nana no eye yempenimfo a omo ya amanyosem ene ya nkwankonya be kan yemo akom na mpenimfo atayechi na yensu enya akonya na etumi esi akan ewo Ghana ball bom se na ebe ya sa me am no kasi am wa kunya say many coaches e be kasa say player we ni ball no so yenya sa akunya na che say me nso many impedifo kasa na ye frek jokwa and I say danger player no more with ampa a registered team but for now I am registered no nkoma ye be dibia no entumi ko be say registered players in kwa na ye form a ye de omo ko e national team and I say tournament
that's it. The special edition of the World Cup. You know that Ghana has qualified for the World Cup, and come next year we are going to see the team right here in the United States. And as part of the special event,